How to remove red wavy underlines in Word document. You can frequently see these kind of underlines in Word forming as you type. Not only red, but sometimes it can appear blue or even green. So normally people try to remove it by clicking on ignore all. This can be a temporary solution, but if you close this up and again open up Word, then that underline will again show up. So the permanent solution to this is you can firstly open up the file and then head over to the file menu here and then click on options. On the left panel, you'll need to click on proofing. Now here you need to uncheck these boxes. First uncheck the check spelling as you type. Next mark grammar error as you type and check grammar with spellings. Uncheck these three options and then click on OK. As soon as you do that, you can see the red wavy underlines have now been removed. So this will be a permanent solution to the red wavy underlines. So that's how you can remove red wavy underlines in Word document. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back with more interesting videos. Thank you all for watching.